Hey, what's up everybody? It's Uncle Mad. We are in the kitchen tonight for something we haven't done in a minute. We're diving into the Bob's Burgers cookbook for a delicious burger. It just popped into our heads today. Jesta said she wanted burgers. She said maybe we should pick out something from the Bob's Burgers cookbook. I was like, you be the judge. You picked. Unfortunately, she picked a burger that we've already done before on the channel. I've created a Muenster. But the lady gets what she wants, so she's getting the I created a Muenster burger. But I thought, can we do two burgers in the same video? Sure, why not? What's to stop us? Nothing. So I thought, I bet they have like a fun, like holiday pun style burger. So I looked it up. They've got Winter Muensterland Burger. So I was like, two Muenster burgers. The ingredients will cross over. There'll be a little bit of ease here. We can do this. We can make this happen. So two burgers, pricing one, all the Muenster cheese everywhere. That's what we're doing here tonight. Happy holidays, Christmas themed, Bob Burgers, 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 burgers. Do a shot every time I say burgers. Alright, so I'm mostly going to be focused in on preparation for my burger, the Winter Muensterland Burger, because we already did the I've created a Muenster Burger in the previous video. I don't know if you'll be able to pick it up in the background, but I guess doing the burgers inspired Jesta to do another Bob's Burgers read but watch, because I can hear Bob's Burgers on in the living room now. Before we get started on the burger, we're going to make the sauce that goes with the Winter Muensterland. We got a part of plain yogurt, equal parts sour cream, equal parts plain yogurt, lemon juice, and pepper. And this is going to be the sauce that we're going to top my burger with. Should be interesting. A little yogurt sour cream base. Usually we do a lot of mayonnaise based stuff here in our house, but this should make for an interesting flavor. Alright, so I got our patties formed. The only thing that's different for the burger patties is mine, the Winter Muensterland Burger. We folded in some scallions into the patty. Jesta, and then Sissy's gonna have the most plain burger ever. She literally is just gonna eat this like it's a hamburger steak. Jesta's just gonna be standard. We're gonna do a little salt, pepper, garlic on these to season them up. And from here on out, it should be pretty straightforward. Jesta's, we got a little sauteed mushroom for her. Me, sauce, cheese, burger. It's pretty straightforward, pretty easy. Shout out Jesta, by the way. She got us some new pans. Our old pans are kind of worse for wear. These came from, Jess, where'd you get these pans?
What?
Where'd you get these pans?
Marshalls.
Marshalls, so yeah. Coke, two catch-all, some nice little pans. Used them a few times. Really good. I don't even know what brand they are. Wait a minute, right there. All Ciad, all clad? Is that all? I'm an idiot. Whatever. They're good pans. Go to Marshalls. You'll never know what you're going to find there. Easy peasy, you're just going to throw the burgers right in, let them cook. So Jesta just looked up the all clad. And it looks like the set we got this pan and one that's a little bit smaller. She got one pan for 20, one pan for 40.
One was 40, one was 25.
At Marshalls, and it looks like on like Williams-Sonoma they're going for like $200 for the set. So Marshalls for the win, Jesta for the win. Alright, now for what makes these Muensters, the actual Muenster cheese. So Jesta's, I created a Muenster, we go one piece of cheese, then we go the mushrooms, oh no, they went everywhere. Come back, mushrooms. Ah. What the world? No. Okay, that was harder than it should have been, and now another piece of cheese to seal the mushrooms in. Now I get two cheeses, if I pleases. No cheese for Sissy. Like I said, she does the most bland, basic burger as possible. Nope. Alright, so here is the finished project on Jesta's I've created a Muenster. One notable thing, I always do make a garlic aioli that the recipe doesn't call for because you gotta have some kind of mayonnaise sauce garlic aioli. This one calls for ketchup normally, but I made the aioli. Then Jesta wanted sweet potato fries, so sweet potato fries she got. Alright, now that Jesta's finished, we've got to prep my burger, the Winter Muensterland Burger. So we go with our sour cream and yogurt sauce. Gonna put a little on the bottom. I'm gonna put a little on the top, and I guess because of snow, they called for this one to come with steamed snow peas. And it says in the recipe that you have to top the snow peas with the sauce, and you have to sing "Frosting the snow peas." So we shall do that. Frosting the snow peas.
Oh.
Frosting the snow peas. A little bit of salad mix on the bottom. And then our burger patty goes right on top. Just like that. Oh shoot, it wants to slide away. Stay put, butter. Burger. Stay put. Stay put. Stay put. Stay put. Alright, let's try the snow pea first. Ooh. It's actually surprisingly good. This is like my least favorite, thing about it, but the sauce, those are good. No, look at this time. I'm gonna shut it off yet, but snow peas are a nice touch. I like that. I ate all those and I didn't eat the burger. Here we go, though. Winter Muensterland Burger. Bone apple teas. Oh, where to start? Oh god, here we go. Ooh. That is good. I really like this sauce. Like I said, normally we're like a mayonnaise aioli family, but this sauce, different but in a good way. All right, so another Bob's Burgers Cookbook burger in the books. I said book and burgers like 50 times in that sentence. So once again, do a shot every time I say burgers. You're going to be really wasted after this video. I thought mine was really good. Like the first time I've ever done kind of like a yogurt-based sauce for a burger, and it was kind of like a little bit of fresh, a little bit of cool taste, more than like the creaminess you get with like a mayo-based sauce. It was really nice. Like on the snap peas particular, that caught me off guard how much I like that. I was just doing that because the recipe said to do. That's never something I would in a million years ever do on my own, but the recipe said you gotta have the snow peas, top them with the frosting, and say frosting the snow peas as you cook. So I did it. It was really good. I enjoyed it. Don't know if it's one I'd do it again, but I like the idea of that sauce. I would like to see that sauce, that style of sauce, incorporated into future cooks. Jesta previously said that the one I made for her, that I've created a Muenster, is the best one I've ever done. Was it as good tonight as the first time?
No, the first time was better.
I wonder what I did. So I was thinking
there was multiple factors.
I was thinking as I cooked, I was like, this seems really simple and straightforward. I don't know what about this made it like a game changer, such a good burger the first time.
Outside on the Blackstone.
Okay.
And me and Jordan were very intoxicated.
Okay. So yes.
So
different cooking surface and judgment impaired factored in. Makes sense now.
And extremely hungry because I was intoxicated.
Okay. Well, all right. That does it for this one. And this is a semi-holiday themed video. Probably. What are you doing over there, Moo? She is trying her hardest to burrow into the Shira blanket.
She's so cute.
Thus far, unsuccessful.
Oh, she's giving up trying to burrow.
That'll work. Thanks for watching. This was a semi-holiday themed video since I did the Winter Muensterland Burger. But it's Christmas season. We'll have some Christmas stuff coming this week. May try to pop over and do some Christmas events once Nephew P officially is out of school and is not just skipping like he was last week. So we'll see what comes. We'll see what happens. Only way you can find out is if you stay tuned to the channel by subscribing and turning the bell on for notifications so you never, ever miss an update. Happy holidays to all. Merry Christmas. And until the next time, enjoy your life.